Good morning, children. I'm back. Okay, so how are you all? I think you all are fine. Now we are coming with the last revision of lesson 4. Yesterday we completed what? What did we study yesterday? Yes, we studied was and were and action words. Hope you all revised it nicely and you all are perfect in that. Yes, you must be perfect with that. Today we will continue with the last lesson which is going to come in your online test, and that is lesson 4, and that is poem. What is the poem? Froggies. Froggies. I think everybody knows the poem very nicely. It is about the frogs and the weather is very hot and they are very happy. We are revising it. What is in the poem? It is very hot and frogs are they were first very quiet. Why? Because they were feeling very hot. Then suddenly it began to rain, and when it began to rain, what happened? They were very happy and they started dancing and splashing water and doing all those things because they were very happy with when it began to rain. So while they shouted, what happened? Who was scared? Fish was scared because they were shouting very loudly, and fish runs away. So all these things you must remember, and in this lesson the main thing what you have to is fill-ups. In fill-ups also you may get any type of questions. You have to read the whole fill-ups and remember the answer. For example, first one is when the frogs jumped in and out of water, they were dash water around. For that, you may get in this also. See, for example, they were dash water around. The answer is splashing. They were splashing water around. But in your question, anything can come. You may get they were throwing, they were playing, they were wasting. So anything can come. You must remember the answer is splashing, and you will take splashing. So children, when you read the fill-ups, when you revise the fill-ups, be careful of the answer. You will get 3 wrong answer and 1 right answer. You must know the right answer and take the right answer. Then second one, the dash water made them feel nice in the hot and sunny weather. In the hot and sunny weather, it may come hot water, it may come cool water, it may come clean water, it may come dirty water. So you must remember which is the correct answer over here. Cool is the correct answer. So you should be able to take cool. You should be able to take cool. So children, you should remember which is the correct answer and take the correct answer. Next is the cloud was black and the sky was grey. So it may come the cloud was dash blue, black, grey, red. So what was the cloud color? Black. So you should take black. You should take black. So remember the fill-ups. It may come in any form in your exam. Then next, the froggies crowed dash when they saw the black cloud. How did they crow? They crowed loudly. They crowed loudly. So it may come loudly, merrily, happily, sadly. So you should remember. How did the froggies crow? Loudly. How did the froggies crow? Loudly. And then you will take to loudly. You will take through loudly. 3 wrong answer and 1 correct answer. You should point out the correct answer and write the correct answer. Clear to you all? Then the loud croaking sound of the frogs scared the dash away. When they were shouting, who was there in the water? It may be there in your examples, crocodile, rabbit, fish or anything else. So you should know who got scared, fish got scared. Who got scared? Fish got scared. And so you should take fish. You should take fish. Okay. And the next page it is written, write down the action words from. So from the poem you have to write the action words. In this you should remember what are the action words. What are the action words. Next part of this is, I hope you all remember, after this we have learned the names of animals with their homes. Animals with their homes. I hope you have revised it. Animals, homes. Let's give a quick revision of this. Animals, homes. Animals, homes. I will write the animal. You should, and one correct home and 3 wrong home will come. You should know the exact home of the animal. The first animal here is horse. I hope all tell me, horse, which is the home of horse? Where do horse live? I hope all of you know. Think where do horse live? Horse live in where? Kennel? Nest? Hive? Stable? Yes. Stable is the correct answer. So you will take stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. You should search for the correct answer and write. Then next is bird. Come on, tell me. Where does the bird live? Tell me, where does the bird live? Bird lives where? On trees. What do they make and live? Yes. Birds live in nest. Birds live in nest. So you will take nest. You will take nest. Then next is bee. Come on, tell me, where do bee live? Where do bee live? Bee lives in nest. Okay, it lives in kennel? It lives in stable? It lives in burrow? No. Bee lives in hive. The home of bee is called hive. What is it called? Hive. And what is the spelling of hive? H-I-V-E, hive. What is the spelling of hive? H-I-V-E, hive. So you will take hive. You will take hive. Then next is, after bee, it is rabbit. Come on, tell me, where does rabbit live? Tell me, where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a kennel, stable, nest? No, it lives in a burrow. It lives in a burrow. And what is the spelling of burrow? B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. What is the spelling of burrow? B-U-R-R-O-W, B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Then next is dog. Yes, all of you are familiar with dog. Dog, you will say dog lives in a house. But that is true. But the home of dog, you have one name for it. You have one name for it. What is the name of dog's home? It is called kennel. It is called kennel. So dog lives in a kennel. What is the spelling of kennel? K-E-N-N-E-L. K-E-N-N-E-L. Dog lives in a kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. So you have to take kennel. You have to take kennel. Then the last one is lion. Where do lions live? Tell me. Lion lives in jungle, you will say. Yes, it lives in jungle. But as dog lives in a house and there is a name of the dog's home, kennel. Same way lion lives in jungle, but there is a name for lion's home, and that name is den. What is the name? Den. And what is the spelling of den? D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. So let's give a quick revision. Horse, stable. Horse, stable. Bird, nest. Bird, nest. Bee, hive. Bee, hive. Rabbit, burrow. Rabbit, burrow. Dog, kennel. Dog, kennel. Lion, den. Lion, den. So these are homes of animals. Be perfect with all the names and all the homes of animals. Then you have circled the odd one out. You have to go through this, and the thing which is the odd one in this, you have to circle the odd one, and nothing more you have, and question answers you have. You have to go through the question answers, children, because that is also very important. You may get, for example, in this, black cloud began. Black cloud began. What does it mean? You can get 4 options in that. Black cloud began means it began to rain, it is going to rain, it will rain day after tomorrow, or it is raining. It is going to rain. You have to remember that. It is going to rain. Black clouds are coming, it will start raining. So remember that and take the correct answer. The next here it is, big drops fell. Big drops fell. What is the meaning of big drops fell? It will rain or it is going to rain. Yeah, it began raining. It began to rain. Big drops fell means drops are falling. Drops are falling. Drops are falling means it began to rain. So you have to read the sentence and take the correct answer. Again I am saying, for this you should know how to read. Then only you will read 4 different answers and you will take the correct answer. So, big drops fell, it began to rain. Big drops fell means it began to rain. It began to rain. Achha. The fish got scared because. Why did the fish got scared? Croaking sound. Because of the croaking sound. So anything croaking sound, yeah, loud music, yeah, anything, any 4 answers will come. You have to remember that fish got scared because of the croaking sound. Why were the froggies splashing water? The froggies were splashing water. Why? Because, why were they splashing water? Because what were they feeling? They were feeling hot. They were feeling hot. So, they were splashing water just because like this 4 different answers will come. You have to remember they were splashing water because it was very hot. So, don't think that MCQ type of questions are coming. So, you are not supposed to learn the question and answers. You have to learn and understand the question answers. You don't have to write the whole sentence, but you should know which is the correct answer and tick the correct answer. If you don't know the answer, you will not be able to tick the correct answer. So don't think that because this type of test is coming, you will not read the question answers. You will do only grammar or you will do only word fun. No. If 4 lessons are given, you have to revise all the 4 lessons thoroughly, all the question answers thoroughly, and you must understand every part of it clearly. Then only you will be able to choose the correct answer and take the correct answer. In question answers also, questions will be asked and you will be given 4 answers for that. And if you know the correct answer, then only you will take the correct answer. I hope you all understood everything. Children, we will be giving you mock test in which you will be able to practice how to give test. So all the best, do well, learn well, and God bless you. Thank you, children.